In this video, I am going to present you one of the most interesting math problems related to prime numbers. Welcome to Simply Logical, this is Venkatesh. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for the newest videos watching. Let's check the problem now. The problem statement is how many 5-digit prime numbers can be obtained by using all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without repetition of digits. So you are given 4 options. They are 0, 1, 9 and 10. So let me elaborate the problem. So first of all, it is important to understand what are prime numbers. So prime numbers is a number that is divisible only by itself and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, they are all prime numbers because it is divisible by 1 and itself. So the digits 1 to 5 can be rearranged into many distinct 5-digit numbers. So your task is to find all the prime numbers formed using the digits 1 to 5. So feel free to pause the video and try yourself before checking the solution. Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. Basically, you need a trick to solve this complex problem. So it is not easy to find the solution to this problem unless you know the trick to find those numbers which are prime numbers. The trick which we can use here is divisibility rules. The most important rule which comes handy here is divisibility rule to find the number is divisible by 3 or not. The rule states that a number is divisible by 3 only if the sum of all digits of a number is divisible by 3. For example, 123 is divisible by 3 because sum of all the digits in the number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 which is equal to 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, hence 123 is also divisible by 3. Take another example 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is not divisible by 3 because sum of all the digits in the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10 which is not divisible by 3. So this is an interesting rule. Regardless of number of digits in a given number, this rule works. We can utilize this rule to solve this problem. I will explain why this rule is important. So what we can do now is add all the numbers from 1 to 5. It is because regardless of arrangement of numbers in any combinations, their sum remains constant. Sum of all numbers from 1 to 5 is 15, and sum of the digits in number 15 results in 6, that is 1 plus 5 equals 6. Since 6 is divisible by 3, regardless of the arrangement of 5 digits from 1 to 5, in whatever way, that number will be divisible by 3. Thus, there are more than 2 factors for any arrangement of digits. If the number has more than 2 factors, then the number is not a prime number. So thus, answer to this problem is none. None of the numbers are prime when the digits 1 to 5 rearranged in any distinct 5-digit numbers. So to summarize, the sum of numbers from 1 to 5 is 15 and therefore can be divisible by 3. Since the number of factors is more than 2, none of the numbers are prime. Hope you understood the solution. If you have not understood the solution, please watch it again and let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.